this part we place our wrist like that, and we have to make a bowl of our hand or a face of a snake like that. But we're not going to use our thumb or this third finger or the edge finger. We're just going to use these two fingers to play the baya, and we will be tapping on the other side of baya here one by one with these two fingers. So this sound is known as khe. I'm playing two times, two different fingers and same sound, khe 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 khe. Make sure your wrist is there, it should not be lifted up. If you lift your wrist up, the whole echo will come out, and then you have to control the echo of the tabla by your wrist like that. So this is ghe ghe. This is the first sound we're going to play. Now next sound I'm going to teach you is also on the left tabla, which is known as khe khe. You have to make your flat hand like this on tabla. Your tips of your fingers should be touching on the kinar, edge of left tabla like that. And this sound is flat hand, khe khe. So khe khe. Now second sound is khe khe. Now the next sound I'm going to teach you is on right tabla, which is known as baya. Playing this drum, you need to be really careful with your fingers, because all the sounds we play on the right tabla is depend on our finger placement. So first of all, you need to learn how to place your hand on right tabla. Your third finger should be placed on the edge of this syahi, the black spot. Little finger should also be on kinar. Your hand should be lifted up. This part of your hand should not be on the tabla. So this part of the hand should be lifted up. This finger should be lifted up always. And this finger we use to play edge, the kinar. This finger we mostly use to play the syahi. So the first sound on right tabla we're going to learn is known as na. We have to lift our hand up and we have to tap with the first finger, the edge, the tip of the first finger on the kinar here. Na 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 na. So this is the sound we're going to learn. In the beginning time you will find hard to play this sound, but you don't worry, because this is the movement which takes a while to get this movement right. This tapping should be very bouncy. This sound is known as na na. Make sure your hand is lifted up and your arm should be relaxed. Your elbow should be inside, don't lift up your elbow, and this your arm should be relaxed. So this is the sound. First sound we learned on the right drum is na na. Now second sound I'm going to teach you is in syahi, which is the. The we play with the second finger, the middle finger, in the syahi, in the center of the black spot. The. We don't have to move these two fingers. This should be remain there, still there, and the hand should be lifted up. The, and the first finger in the middle as well. Tha. So there are two sounds in the syahi, the and tha. When you have to play the, make sure this finger is lifted up, and when you are playing tha, make sure this finger is lifted up. So the, tha. So the tha and na. There are three sounds on right tabla. The and the is on left tabla. I told you in the previous video how to place hand on the both drums. Now we're going to learn exercise which is based on the bowls, on the syllables which we learned in the previous video. As this exercise starts with the baya, and it is ghe, ghe, the, the, ghe, first part is 4 beats. Ge, ge, te, te. This is the first part. Second part is ge, ge, na, na. Third part is ke, ke, te, te. And fourth part is ge, ge, na, na. So all together if we play, it sounds like this. Ge, ge, te, te, ge, ge, na, na, ge, ge, te, te, ge, ge, na, na. Second part of this exercise is paltas. Every qaida has paltas. Paltas are the variation of the qaida we started, and it always based on the qaida and always consisting the same bowls we started in the qaida and always in the same rhythm cycle. There are some rules of qaida which we follow to play paltas. Rule number 1, it should be consisting of the same bowls with what we decided in the qaida. Rule number 2, it should be in the 16 beats. If we started qaida in the 16 beats, palta should also be in the 16 beats of cycle. Rule number 3, it's always should be rhyming with each other, always ending with the same bowls. So these 3 rules we follow in the qaida. Now, as we played the qaida in the previous video, now second part we are going to make some paltas of this qaida. For example, we started playing with this exercise ge ge te te ge ge na na ge ge te te ge ge na na. So this is our exercise. Now palta number 1 is ge ge te te ge ge te te ge ge te te ge ge na na ge ge te te ge ge te te ge ge te te ge ge na na ge ge te te ge ge te te ge ge te te ge ge na na ge ge te te ge ge te te ge ge te te ge ge na na. Palta number 2 is also same bowls, but we will be repeating tit in this palta. So we are going to concentrate on tit. We are going to variate tit in this palta. Ge ge te 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 ge ge te te ge ge na na ge ge te 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 ge ge te te ge ge na na. Now the third part of every qaida is tihai, because we start the qaida and we play paltas and it finishes always with tihai. So tihai in this qaida is ge ge te te ge ge na 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 ge ge na 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 ge ge na 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 ge ge te te ge ge na 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 ge ge na 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 ge ge na 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 ge ge te te ge ge na 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 ge ge na 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 ge ge na na na. As you've seen, I have played this phrase 3 times. This is how the tihai is. Same phrase repeated 3 times and it's divided in the 16 beats. As if you play this phrase and you count the beats, it's 11 beats. Ge te ge ge na 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 ge ge na 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 ge ge na na na. So this single phrase is 11 beats. When we play 11, 11, 11 3 times, it becomes 33 beats. And the last 33rd beat is the first of the third cycle of 16 beats. So that's how this tihai is divided into 16 beats. Thank you. After practicing this exercise for a couple of weeks, you can play this exercise like this.